In today's video, we are looking at the California Labor Law Digest 57th edition from California Chamber of Commerce. Now, this particular digest is available in both digital downloadable form as well as a paperback book form. And in both instances, it's priced exactly the same, which is 169.99 or about 170 US dollars. And you can pre-order the 2017 edition right now. Now, what we've done is, for your ease, we provided the direct link to this very page in the description below this video. You can simply click on that, get to the same page yourself, review all of this information, and you can easily pick and choose the version that you want. Maybe you want both, as well as the quantity in terms of the number of such editions that you require. And in terms of more information about this particular book, let's review some of that. First of all, the 57th edition reflects recent court decisions, regulatory actions, and new laws. Because, see, this space is always in a state of flux. There's always new things happening, new developments taking place. Therefore, the most recent, the most updated version is something which is highly desirable, which is why we're making this video, so that you're aware of the fact that this particular 57th edition is available and that it reflects very recent developments in this entire space. Above and beyond that, you'll also find updates to guidance on wage and hour compliance, harassment protection, and workplace safety. Again, these are very important things. Remember that a lot of California businesses end up with very expensive lawsuits, which also end up harming their business in terms of their reputation as well. You don't want to get into any of that. Therefore, having such a book by your side definitely proves worthy in more ways than one. And let's also look at other things. For instance, it provides legal background information, including legislation, court cases, regulatory requirements. There are also as many as nearly 400 downloadable forms and checklists, many of which are in Spanish as well, because we are well aware of the fact that besides English, Spanish is one particular language. Given the strong likelihood that you would have Hispanic workforce, so therefore having items in Spanish as well definitely proves very handy. And as already mentioned, it's not only available as a book but also as a download for both Windows as well as Mac. And if you order the download only version, you'll receive an email with detailed instructions for downloading. The overall message of this video would be the fact that this is something which is very much priceless when it comes to California businesses. So this is something which you definitely must have. From its side, California Chamber of Commerce has definitely put in its very best to ensure that all possible relevant information is included in this particular labor law digest. So irrespective of whether you choose the downloadable version or the paperback book version, do make your choice. As already mentioned, the link is there in the description. You simply click on that, choose the version. You could go with both if you want. You can always choose the number of such digest that you want, and then add to cart and go from there. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Vikram on Jobs and Careers.